Donger meets Risk of Rain. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's AWL Donger here for another First Encounters. And this one, I literally have no idea what I'm doing. Like, with Binding of Isaac, I've at least seen it. I've never even... This game just caught my eye one time, and I've never played it. So, let's just get right into the single player. Wait, okay, Commando. Difficulty. Sounds good. Double tap, shoot twice for 2 times 6, so 120% damage. Shoot through enemies. Sounds good. I don't know. Wait, did I actually... Wait, whoa. Very scared. Ow. Oh, that's a diamond. That's good, okay. But I'm at 94 health. Okay, I'm gonna... Give me a second. I'm gonna rebind my keys. B. There we go. There's my... Wow, this thing's got long. Holy. Oh. Okay. This game looks cool so far. Kind of like a platform. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Get back out. There we go. I don't know if I'm doing this the noob way. What, man? Get up. Okay, this game's crazy. Find a teleporter. A teleporter. Wait, how many? I can't jump very high. Ho 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 ho. I can have the jukes. Ow, I wasted that. I also wasted that one. Ow. Didn't jukes, bro. Okay, I got this. Okay, can I climb up there? I wish I knew more about this game, but I don't. I don't even know what I'm doing, dude. Frick. Holy. That was crazy. That's just my chest. I don't know what I'm doing. Heal rapidly out of sight of combat? I will totally take that. I don't know about going down there, dude. It seems kind of sketchy. I need to find a teleporter, which means that I most likely have to go off this thing. Well, I believe that thing's burnt out pretty quick. I like this. The shrouding egg, or sprouting egg. It was worth it. I feel... Oh, that knife. I feel that knife calling to me, dude. I can't make it past this jump. Frack! Oh crap, I'm getting overwhelmed. Get out. Oh no, what is this thing? I'll let myself heal a bit. Press 3. Can't do it. No, no, no. Okay, those things are peaceful until provoked. It was a bad idea to provoke. I didn't mean to, dude. I'm friendly. No! That's bad. Oh, crap. That's even worse. A bit of damage because then I level up. There we go. Dude, I have no idea how to do that. You guys do. More monster log jellyfish. Okay, I'm just gonna let myself heal up really quick. I'm so screwed right now. It can't be this way. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing. God. Holy crap, dude. This game is hard freaking core. Oh! Oh. Oh, please. Okay, well, we're gonna go to the other side. after me. It's just can't survive much more. I found the teleporter. That must be it. I went all the way to the other side of the map for what? Nothing. V. Activate the teleporter. No. Please, no. Please. Oh no! I have like no health. Ow, that was a bad idea. My plan is basically get the frick away from everything. Where am I? Did I die? I died. Holy crap! Oh my goodness, what was that? I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, main menu, item log. Delete an enemy. Falling for up to 507. After not being hit. That was a good one. Okay, back. Scores and unlocked. Games played. 100% is commit. Okay, give me a second, guys. I just gotta check something. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's try one more. I mean, I can try Drizzle. Progress not saved. Well, wait, is it saved? Well, that should update. The usability should update with each thing, because it doesn't. That's kind of dumb. One game feature game does. Oh. Ow! Ow! Well, wrecked. Okay, yeah, well, it didn't save my progress, obviously. Come at me, jellyfish, I dare you. Ow. Oh, baby! Level up. Okay. Get out! Okay, hopefully this thing can't fly through that. Oh, apparently it can, and I'm screwed. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. And, oh, shoot. Frick. Balls. I don't have time for all this, guys. Yeah, it didn't help very much. I don't even know what my abilities are. It never told me. Oh, okay. I didn't know there was a platform hidden behind that water. Frick! I can't. You have to like jump then move. Oh! That guy just got juked. Okay. Holy. That was intense. Ow. I already purchased that chest. Every 4 basic attacks. Oh wow. That's gonna be fun. Holy crap. I just dropped really far. Find the teleporter. I'm gonna go buy some more stuff. I don't even need. There wasn't this much stuff before. And I got 30 bucks. What can I buy with that? Yay. What's this? Giving great strength. Not help that. Crap. Not very good. Ow. Oh wait, never mind. That's not me. Raw favorite. Yay, keep shooting. Yay. Drum is totally worth it. Ow. Yeah, I want that sprouting egg again, dude, please. I don't have the health to deal with these guys. I'm just gonna stack all these banners. Well, wrecked. Got 200 health. Well, but I might drone and just fly through everything. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, keep shooting. Ow, 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 that's bad. Holy, that war banner just saved my life. Oh, get out of here. I love these war banners, dude. They're super sick. Wow. That's gonna be a deadly mess when it all works out. Please. Get out! Run! Oh no 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 no. Very bad. Very, very bad. I have like 40 health. Get out. My drone disappeared. Oh no. No, not the drone. Shoot, now it costs even more right there. See, all these guys have like no health. Holy, no, 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 no. I died. Okay. That's Tiny Imps getting a reward. Choose new character? I don't have another character. I don't have another character. Ah, well. I think that'll be it. That's 2 runs. That's kind of how much I did last time. So, I think that was... This is an amazing game. I think I'm gonna make a series on, like, trying to unlock stuff. But, hopefully, I'll get, a new Binding of Isaac out for you guys. I'm thinking of starting a new series. And I'll just give you a hint. It'll be a whole bunch of quests. And, like, so, like, I'll do quests for different characters. I'll kind of show you guys different items. Maybe I'll show you guys how to beat some of the challenges. Maybe some seeded runs if you guys have some cool seeds. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Stay faded. No, don't. I'm kidding. See you guys next time. It's Donger. But